How does carbohydrate nomenclature work for beginners? Carbohydrate nomenclature is the system chemists use to describe sugars and sugar-derived molecules in a clear, consistent way. For beginners, the most important point is that a carbohydrate name is not just a label. It usually contains structural information, including carbon number, functional group, ring type, and stereochemical arrangement. Once these elements are understood, names like glucose, fructose, ribose, and sucrose become easier to interpret. Carbohydrate nomenclature by carbon number. Carbohydrate nomenclature often begins with the number of carbon atoms in the molecule. A 3-carbon carbohydrate is called a triose, a 5-carbon carbohydrate is a pentose, and a 6-carbon carbohydrate is a hexose. This is why glucose and galactose are both classified as hexoses. Carbon number gives researchers a first structural clue before examining functional groups, ring formation or substitution patterns. Carbohydrate nomenclature and functional groups. Carbohydrate nomenclature also distinguishes sugars by their functional groups. Aldoses contain an aldehyde group, while ketoses contain a ketone group. Glucose is therefore described as an aldohexose, while fructose is described as a ketohexose. This distinction matters because functional groups influence reactivity, ring formation, and how carbohydrates participate in chemical synthesis, conjugation, and material design. Carbohydrate nomenclature in ring structures. So carbohydrate nomenclature becomes more detailed when sugars form rings. Terms like pyranose and furanose describe the ring size, while alpha and beta describe the orientation of the anomeric carbon. These details are really essential for comparing sugar structures. Carbohydrate solution support from BOC Sciences. Understanding carbohydrate nomenclature helps researchers communicate structures, compare sugar derivatives, design glycoconjugates, and interpret carbohydrate-based materials more efficiently. BOC Sciences provides carbohydrate compounds, glycan-related products, custom synthesis, analytical support, and project-specific solutions for research and development workflows. Contact BOC Sciences today to discuss customized carbohydrate solutions for your next research project.